Welcome students to yet another video on JEE Mains 2027 Mathematics series. So in this video we will be solving a problem on arithmetic progression, and this problem appeared in JEE 2025. Consider an AP of positive integers whose sum of first three terms is 54 and the sum of first 20 terms lies between 1600 and 1800. Find its 11th term. It's a fairly straightforward question except one tricky part that we will see during the video. So now let's go to the solution part. Let's have a recap of AP. Just have a look at the screen. It need not be explained because it's a 10th class curriculum and all of us will be familiar with it. So the nth term is defined by a plus n minus 1 into d, and the sum of first n terms is defined by n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So all those things we know. Just a quick recap. And now we go to actually what has been given in the problem. First three terms, sum of first three terms is equal to 54. So we use the formula for sum of n terms, and we will say n is equal to 3. So we get a plus d is equal to 18, or a is equal to 18 minus d. And the second data given in the problem is sum of first 20 terms lies between 1100, that is 1600 and 1800. So again we'll use the sum of first n terms formula, and we'll start simplifying the inequality. And you just see the screen. We get up to this 2a plus 19d lies between 160 and 180. And we already know a is equal to 18 minus d. Substitute this value 18 minus d in a, and we get 36 minus 2d plus 19d lies between 160 and 180, or 36 plus 17d lies between 160 and 180, and we subtract 36 from the inequality. So we get 17d lies between 124 and 144. Up to this point it's a flow, free flow, it's plain, not an issue. So now just pause at this point for a moment, and we need not divide 124 and 144 exactly by 17, because basically it's not exactly divisible, and we need not spend much time on decimal division because it has been given in the problem that the AP consists of positive integers. So it means that D and A must also be positive integers. Only then the entire progression will be of positive integers. So since it assumes integer value, we'll make an approximation. Let's see. So 124 by 17 divided by 17, let's say 6 means 60, 42, 102. So 7 means 119. So 124 by 17 we can write as 5 by 17. And similarly 144 by 70 divided by 17. So 9 times 6, 8 times will be around 136. Oh, that's good. So 8 by 17. So we need not make actual calculations. We make an approximation. So and we got the interval. So 124 by 17 is equal to 5 by 17, and 144 by 17 is equal to 8 by 17. Here only the catch. So generally during the exam stress we tend to write. So still d lies between 7 and 8, and we don't know, since it's a positive integer, what to do. It's not integer. Don't worry about it. Have a closer look at it. So 5 by 17 and 8 by 17 implies d lies beyond 8 and not at 8. So this is an illusion that many people commit mistakes. We got a lot of feedbacks in this. So d lies between 7 and 9, therefore d is equal to 8. This is the only catch in this entire problem. Since we know d is 8, automatically we know a is 10, and since we know the values of a and d, we know a 11, that is 11th term is equal to a plus 10d, which is equal to 90. So we have come to the end of the problem. So it's quite simple. So but we have some little tricky things they will introduce. So next problem we will solve again arithmetic progression, which will be having some higher difficulty level.